Have you ever seen that woman that just knows her fragrance? She walks into a room confident, grounded, magnetic. There's something mysterious about her, right? Hi, guys. If you're new here, my name is Crystal. This is Becoming Crystal Clear. And today on our glow up journey, we're finding our signature fragrance. We're finding the fragrance that's going to help us get to that feminine energy and reawake our feminine essence. So if that sounds like you, keep watching. Now, why is finding our signature fragrance a part of our glow up journey? We're not just changing how we look. We want to make sure we're changing how we feel and the energy we bring into a room. So being able to find your signature fragrance portrays this before you even show up. So for example, maybe you're in a season of feeling very feminine, very soft. You're probably going to be drawn more to more flowery fragrances, more powdery smells. But maybe you're in your season of being confident and you want to smell more woodsy, more spicy. The scent is your aura. It's that invisible crown that you wear, that you show up with. I remember on my journey of glowing up and finding myself, finding my signature fragrance, every time I would spray it or get a whiff of it throughout the day, it really just reminded me of the person I was becoming and how important it is to tie those feelings into how you smell, because it does really resonate with you on a deeper level. Now, how do we find our signature fragrance? Now, the first thing you want to do is understand, what is your mood? How are you feeling? What do you want to portray? You could feel feminine. You could feel flirty. Maybe you're feeling confident. These are the types of feelings you want to portray when you pick your feminine scent. So whatever season you're currently in right now, whatever emotions and feeling you're currently in, this is what you want to tie your scent to. Now, the second step you want to understand is the different scent families. So there's a couple of them. And the first scent family is going to be the flower scent or the floral scents. And this is going to be more romantic, more gentle, feminine, a little bit more on the side of soft. So if this is the feeling that you're feeling, if this is the season you're in, maybe a floral scent is a little bit more attuned to your energy at that time. The second scent family is the fresh/citrus scents. And this normally portrays emotions of being energized, being confident, really just being kind of like an awakened vibe. So if you feel like you're in your confident phase, you're more energetic, a citrus scent is definitely going to be something that's going to awaken that and really just portray that presence for you. Okay, so I know I'm in a completely different outfit, completely different day. I'm interjecting here because I thought I recorded this part of the video, but apparently I didn't. And I still wanted to give you guys the information so you know a little technical difficulty isn't going to stop me. I was telling you guys about the different scent families. And the third scent family I was going to talk about was the woodsy/ambery scent family. And this is where, if you're feeling like you want to feel more grounded, more sensual, using or finding a woody/ambery scent will definitely appeal to that feeling that you're going through. Now, the next scent family is going to be the sweet/gourmand. And that's going to be me. I'm definitely a gourmand girly. And this kind of focuses more on feeling warm, cozy, and playful. So if that's the type of emotion that you're feeling, if that resonates with you, then I would pick a scent in that type of scent family. And then the last scent family is going to be the aquatic/musky. And this is where it's going to be a little bit more airy, a little bit more minimal, a little bit more calm. So if you're definitely feeling those emotions resonate with you, that vibe resonate with you, I'd definitely choose a scent from that scent family in order to be your signature scent. But I'm going to jump over to the other half of the video that I was still filming. So I'll see you guys once we switch over. So the next step in finding, your scent, after finding out your scent family, is to try before you commit. So this is our third step. And what I mean by that is you want to see how the perfume actually sits on you, how it wears on you, because the chemistry of your perfume has to mix with the chemistry of your body. And really just being able to wear it, test it out. It's kind of like test driving a car to see how it works with you is super important. I don't know how many times I've smelled something on a friend and I decide to try it on and it just doesn't smell the same on me, because everybody's scent and body chemistry is different. So make sure you test before you buy. Super easy. You can always just get samples. The last step in the step 4 in this process of finding yourself through your fragrance is always listen to your intuition. Now, this whole journey of us glowing up and finding ourselves again is really just us coming back to who we are, and understanding and listening to our intuition is such an important part of that. So really just make sure you're listening to your intuition when you do find that scent that you like, and you're going to know which one it is for you. Now, I remember when I first started looking for my signature scent in this glow up journey that I'm on with you guys, I wanted to make sure it always reminded me of the person I'm becoming and the person I'm working on every day, that went through a heartbreak, that went through failure, and now is coming out on the other end of understanding who I am and what I'm meant to be, but also enjoying that process. So if you thought the video was helpful, if you thought it was actually helping you on that journey, don't forget to comment, share, hit that subscribe button. And, don't forget to hit the notification bell, because I post new videos every Sunday on different tips and tricks in this glow up process. And I'd love for you to come along with it with me. So until the next video, guys, bye.